solution for this example, we can go to each pivot we've set up, and you'll see I'm going to insert a slicer, and what we're going to do is we're going to make it based on the lead month and the agent. When I say OK, it sets up, so we can maybe set it up there, just fit it in. So those slices will drive this pivot table, and then if we want to set more up, we can go here, and for each of these set them up, and then again just fit them into applicable areas. So this way you've now got slices set up. So as I click, depending on what I do, the slices drive the various reports.